Thokozani, Emakasini, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Bamkudo, Thokozani, everyone that is watching this video. Emakasini, Thokozani. Before I go on, my name is Robin Malupi Akopa, Nkatazana Robin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Alright. So I'm gonna continue on the topic imakhosi. Angifuni ukuyigibela nge-stuff, you understand, because ijulile kakhulu and yebo angeke ngichaze konke, but I'm gonna mention the things that can help you while watching this video, things that you need to do, you understand. So yeah, emakhosini. So I know a lot of you are going through the most. Ngikhuluma nini then phethe abantu labadala, nini then nemakhosi, wena lo phethe makhetla, and especially you women, but I'm not gonna say women only, but yeah, let me just say everyone, right? Because even the men also go through the most when they have amakhosi, and makhosi abo awakahlambuluki, awakaphakanyiswa. Right, so nani you go through the most. So nini then phethe makhosi. Alright, inhlanhla ivalekile, bantu nje nabakubona sometimes bavele bacasuke, like babanesidina nabakubona, you know. And besides that, those of you that do not know the signs of having amakhosi, I'm gonna mention them again, but I did mention them on some other video. Just that, because there are a lot of what you call signs, right? So kubona ukuthi unamakhosi ubona njani, right? Ubona ngendlela lesona. Abona leli jazi lengiligqokile leli lihamba nesipika, hamba nesipika, right? So leli jazi leli lemakhosi, cause nginemakhosi, right? Leli lemakhosi, but there are also other clothes emakhosi, depending ukuthi ubukhosi bakho burepresentwa yini, right? Because khona ubukhosi basemandini as well lo burepresentwa yini. What I can say as well, that most people do not mention ingwenya, right? Khosi lo as well, right? So they can show you different clothes that represent bukhosi bakho. So don't think ukuthi wena na ungakaphuphanga this ingwe doesn't mean ukuthi awunamakhosi. No, unamakhosi, it's just that ukuthi bona bukhosi babo burepresenta ngalenye indlela, ngalamanye ama-clothes, you understand, not necessarily this or one. It can be the black and white one, this one, you understand. So kuyahlukahlukana, but ma-symptoms akhona owabona ngane like umuntu lo thandzwa abantu, ne umuntu lo uthi nawufika kwi-crowd you still the attention. You still attention la ungena khona. If you are a lady, if you are a woman, la ungena khona, so many women become uncomfortable. Baba so uncomfortable ukuthi baqala batibuke phasi, batiphinze batibuke tulu, babuke wena ephasi, bakubuke tulu, bavele bacasuke nje. Bavele bacasuke nje bakusonde from just like that. You understand that? Now in Forza, now in Caesar, like now ngena erumini, now like now uthi gadla gadla. It doesn't mean it doesn't have to be ukuthi ubathi unimbalo ngakanani. No, even if uslender, even if usdudla or whatever body type you have, net now ngena like kuba na that thing like lamanye madoda ayakuthanda ayakujabulela akufuna around bona like nakunawe kujatshulwa kakhulu nakunawe nje kuba ngathi sekumcimbi lomkhulu wonke umuntu wants to be part of that certain group that you are in, you understand, just because kunawe like unempatho, you understand, une-leadership, unother thing ibukhosi lokuthi unother kingship yokuthi la uyalandzelelwa, uthandzwa abantu, like people want to find themselves around you, lokuthi they would even fight so that they can be your friend. You understand? Another thing, another charisma, like loads ungayi understand now, like now tibuka esesikhathi ugcoke nelona le ugcoke liteki la 20 rand, like you're even asking yourself what the heck what the heck is going on here, but bantu bavele bakuthanda, like and lento le ayiqali naso ukhulile sukusela ebuncaneni bakho, like now uqala utrace everything, like if you have not traced anything, like sit down and then go back down in memory lane, ucheck ukuthi what has been happening since you've been growing up, even nemaphupho akho, like now phupha sometimes even what you call the animals that you dream about, Bubezi, a tiger. Oh my goodness, a tiger I love. Like, you understand, Opupa, those majestic animals that, yeah, Lawa, you know. Like, yeah, to go to Ilona, Bubezi, like it's the king of the jungle. So, I know such animals because una that kingship. Oh, you understand? Lendo ihleli, lendo isengadini. I don't know if you understand now. So don't try to fit in. Don't try to fit in because laban laba labahleli la kuwe bayatilawula makhosi ayinatinto ngendlela yato. Sometimes uvele asuke nje without even understanding ukuthi why. Vele asuke nje uvuthelela ngabi, like you don't even understand ukuthi kahle so ukwateleni, like that will come back after a very long time ukuthi what was happening. Mara those things you need to sit down and then analyze them, but most of them like you can't control because makhosi ayatilawula, guys. Just that you can just sit down and cela ukuthi makhosi ngiyacela bantu bakithi ngiyacela nithi kancane Nkosi yami ngiyacela ngoba yele laka lenu because uba nelaka umfati uyindoda uba nelaka awuva ngamuntu. You don't like taking advice. In fact, when you love giving advice, into loyikhulumako kuba impilo, kuba a prophecy, but that prophecy also like takes life, it takes form. Not now we the prophecy, it even comes to pass that very same time. You understand? That yo uNkulunkulu wami angakuthi ngayibeka kanjani, unebukhosi man wasebukhosini. So into lengayisho ukuthi start behaving like that. Don't settle for less. I'm not saying chase money, chase any, no. I'm talking about the things that you do for your spiritual life. Don't settle for less. Now yendela abantu bakho labadzala tinto. Go all out, especially emakhosini, like when you're doing my rituals for makhosi, like go all out. Spend that last money ubathengele tinto letihle, ubone ukuthi batogendelani, because what you giving ma-2 rand ma-1 rand. Ngithi bayendele lokuhle utawubona bayothi uthwele, bayothi ufiye i-mermaid inside your house, not even a snake. uyangiva ukuthi ngithini. So these people, they love tinto leti fresh, bathanda ukuthi umuntu wabo aphile thebelele, bathanda ukuthi umuntu wabo abe nemfuyo, bathanda ukuthi umuntu wabo aphathe nasekhaya. You understand? Uyaphatha nasekhaya, because when you have everything that your family could ever need or could ever want, because the way uyoba nemali ngakhona, like you can buy them houses, build them whatever, and not even feel it. So nanebukhosi yo kubalekile ukuthi ni uphakamise amakhosi akho, kubalekile ukuthi uwaphakamise ukuze into zakho zihambe kahle. Some of you are stuck because angaphakamisanga amakhosi. You've done everything but not everything because awaphakamisi amakhosi. And some of you nala nimaphakamise khona naphakamise tindzabeni leti wrong, like koko sologo. No man, it's just that what I don't like is that niyathanda ukugijimela tinto lefanele ningatigijimeli. Tinto letifana nemakhosi tifuna like abantu labaspoon guys. Angeke uhambe uyokhuphula uyokhushulwa makhosi ngemuntu lothwele. Uwendani kahle kahle? What are you doing? I think it's stop and I'm gonna continue again. Let me take a breather and then I'll come back again. It's Emakhosini.